So the Norwex Odor Eliminator has powerful enzymes and microorganisms that eat organic matter that cause odor. Enzymes are proteins that act as biological catalysts to break down organic matter, meaning they're molecules capable of speeding up the chemical reactions. It removes unpleasant, strong odors from organic things like mold, mildew, smoke, garbage, urine, and leaving your home and your vehicles with a fresher, cleaner scent. It is a fantastic product to use in your laundry. You can just pop a cap full in the softener section of your washer, and the microorganisms will eat any bacteria in the clothes that might be causing odor. So like the sweaty workout gear, sports gear, and, if you've had a load sitting in the washing machine for too long, it can become a little smelly and musty. To resolve that problem, fill up a bucket of water and just add a capful of the Odor Eliminator and soak those smelly clothes in that for a little while. I recommend that you don't leave them in too long. A couple of hours is fine, and then pop them into the washing machine and wash clothes with a regular load. But sometimes we also need to freshen up a room and get rid of bad smells, but we don't want to use those harmful aerosol fresheners full of chemicals. That can be really toxic. I love using the Odor Eliminator as an air freshener around my home, around the toilet, anywhere really. And it works to remove the source of the odor rather than simply masking it with fragrance. It's much safer than room fresheners I used to use because it's free from all those harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances that have been linked to a variety of health issues and can be really toxic for your family and your pets. Now, researchers have measured and identified air freshener chemicals linked to cancer, neurotoxicity, and effects from the endocrine system. A large portion of the population experiences headaches and respiratory issues from exposure to fragrance. Now, while many products may be called air fresheners, the name's a little bit misleading. Air fresheners likely don't improve air quality by removing impurities. While some air fresheners, air products claim they can do that, manufacturers have been unable to provide any public data or information when they've asked to back up their claims. Now, unlike the other air fresheners or things I used to use, the Odor Eliminator is free from SLS, SLES, phthalates, synthetic dyes, gluten, and the container's recyclable. It is made from 25% ocean-bound plastic, helping keep plastic waste from reaching our waterways. You can really use it wherever there's unpleasant odors, wherever you're having a problem. It's perfect, like I said, for the bathroom, kitchens, garbage cans, bins, lockers, carpets, and my favorite, laundry. You may also use this in your carpet cleaning, in your carpet cleaner with the shampoo solution to eliminate carpet odors. It's highly concentrated, so you always want to use this diluted. You can use it as an air freshener for your vehicle air conditioning system to eliminate musty, nasty, wet smells that sometimes occur. You simply want to spray this on the passenger side floor or in a space, like in that space under the glove box. That's typically where the air is being sucked from to recirculate through your car. Spray it there and your air conditioner will run smoothly without any odors. I love using the Odor Eliminator also with my home air conditioning system because it helps eat up the bacteria that's causing the odor. Especially after cooking a meal, like if I'm using it at home, cooking a meal with distinct odors such as fish, I'll spray it towards the air return vents and it works like a charm. You always want to shake it well before using. I love using it as a spray, and you want to use it diluted for best results. So the 12-ounce container will last a long time because the product is highly concentrated. In fact, one bottle makes 96 ounces of product. So to make a home spray, which is what I love doing, you want to use 14 ounces of water and 2 ounces of Odor Eliminator in a glass spray bottle. You always want to use glass when using enzymes. I prefer our Forever sprayer bottles. You can spray it directly into the air towards the ceiling and it will allow it to refresh the room completely. You can also use your spray bottle when mopping with the Norwex mop system to get fresh, clean floors. For carpets, as I mentioned earlier, you just want to add 1 ounce or even a capful of Odor Eliminator per 34 ounces of water, or the rug shampoo solution. And instead of the store-bought solutions, I make my own carpet cleaning solution with a teaspoon of our Ultra Power Plus, which is a multi-purpose laundry detergent. I have another video on that. And I typically will use a capful per load for really fresh, clean smelling laundry, especially during sports season with 2 young boys. And literally I'm in a home full of boys, so I will use the Odor Eliminator in my laundry quite a bit. I hope you've enjoyed this video.